Hello everyone, my name is Sarun. Welcome to Stellar Code. In this tutorial, we are going to deploy our Angular server-side rendered application using Netlify. You can use any of the clouds available in the market like Heroku, DigitalOcean, etc. I'm going to use the Netlify for the deployment. So let's get started. Before going to learn about deployment, I recommend you to take my tutorial Angular server-side rendering using Angular Universal integrating Spacet's API. Link is provided in the description. Let me quickly show you the Angular Universal application that we have already developed in the last tutorial before deploying to Netlify. It's a very basic application to filter the Spacet's launch programs based on the year that we are selecting. As you can see, if you click on the year 2006, you can see the launch programs happen for that particular year. If you right click and view page source, you can see the index.html with all your CSS HTML in it. We are going to use the Netlify application for the deployment. Netlify is an all-in-one platform for automating modern web projects. So if you don't have a Netlify account, you can create a free account using your email or GitHub. I have logged into my Netlify account using GitHub. If you go to the billing section, you can see that I'm using a starter team plan with 100 GB bandwidth and 300 build minutes for free. I'm going to deploy the application from the GitHub. So let's start the process by clicking the new site from Git button. We can able to deploy the application in just 3 steps. The first step is to connect to the Git provider where your source code is hosted. So in my case, it's GitHub. So I'm gonna click the GitHub button. It will open up a pop-up to authorize the Netlify app to use the GitHub repositories. In the second step, you can see all your Git repositories listed and you can select the repository that you wanted to deploy. I'm going to select the Angular Universal Spacet's repository. In the third step, you can select the branch to be deployed. We are going to deploy the main branch. The next thing is we need to give the build command. By default, you can see that the npm run build. So let's go to the VS Code. Let's try to run this command in the application terminal. So npm run build. This command is going to run the ng build. Now let's check the disk folder, browser, index.html. You can see that the usual script tag is being added here. This is not what we are looking for. We need to see all the HTML, CSS in this index.html. For that, let's run the npm run pre-render. This is going to run the ng run angular-ssr pre-render. That created our index.html. Now let's check the disk folder, angular-ssr, browser, index.html. As you can see that the whole HTML CSS in it. Great. Now let's go back to the Netlify application and let's change the npm run build to npm run pre-render. And we need to change the publish directory to dist angular-ssr. This is the name of our application. And then browser. Netlify will serve the index.html from this browser folder. Now let's deploy it. After finishing the build process, we can preview the deployment. Now you can see your application in a random URL created by the Netlify. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. See you soon with another video. Thank you. Bye.